Hello everyone and welcome back. So now we will do to compute various. We will now compute various and we will do a small exercise. Actually, you have to do a small exercise. I will just write down the code. Okay, so now for computing various, this code computes the variance of the values in a column. Okay, var. So the variance is this. Finally, you don't have to specify the column to compute the statistics. If you just run it against the whole data frame, you will get the function to run on all applicable columns. Now let me try this. df.var. Okay, we got this. So now it's your turn. Your turn. Okay, so of course in our data set we only have one column. Try creating a data frame and computing summary statistics using the data set given here. Okay. Now let's move on to that. Names. Bob. Jessica, Mary, John, Mel. Now, grades is equals to 76, 95, 77, 78, 99. BS degrees. That's bachelor's degrees. One. Now MS degrees. 2, 1, 0, 0, 0. PhD degrees, only one whole PhD degree. 0, 1, 0, 0, 0. Okay, so this is the data set. You have to run the functions you have just learned that without actually watching the results. Thank you.